Okay, dear students, number of the videos we have prepared for the basic concepts. So until I have put videos on the functions, limits, continuity, derivatives, application of derivatives. Now, these concepts, how useful in JEE exams, CET exams. CET is so simple as compared to the JEE. If you prepare for JEE, otherwise you prepare for the JEE, and you can very easily you will be able to face the CET. So when we are studying, you take the target of study of JEE. Now today we will solve the paper this JEE 270 solutions. So now first example. If for 4 marks, if for x belongs to 0, 1 by 4, that is 0 to x lies between 0 to 25, the derivatives of this tan inverse 6x root x 1 minus 9x cube is root x g of x. G of x is the function of x. Then g of x is equal to the of this answers are given. This A, B, C, D. 4 objectives are given their answers. So we solve. So solution. So first example, let y is equal to tan inverse 6x root x divided by 1 minus 9x cube. Now this inverse function, so आपण नेहमी म्हणतो की इनवर्स फंक्शन असलं की जरा जपून लगेच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायला जायचं नाही. विचार करा सिम्प्लिफाय कसा फंक्शन होईल ते. तर हा फंक्शन आपल्याला सिम्प्लिफाय करता येतोय का ते बघितलं पाहिजे. So we can simplify this function. So here tan inverse means inside must be the tan. Now you know this tan 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, tan a plus b. So we can write this as a tan inverse of 2 into 3x root x divided by 1 minus 3x root x. If we do the square of this, so x square and root x is x, so x cube and 3 square is 9, so this is fitted here. Now if we put 3x root x as a tan theta, therefore theta is equal to tan inverse 3x root x, or this is nothing but then tan inverse of, so 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, tan is tan 2 theta. Now tan inverse tan is cancelled, so 2 theta, so 2 tan inverse 3x root x. So this is, we'll get the simplicity for the derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivatives of y dy by dx is equal to 2 constant tan inverse derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 9x root x square and x cube in 2 derivatives of 3x root x. So into 3 d by dx of, now x root x we can write x raised to 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So that is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 1 minus 9x cube 3 upon 2 x raised to 1 half. So that is equal to, now x raised to half means root x, so root x 3 into 3 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube. Now they have given the derivatives in this form. So root x g of x. So this is you compare with root x g of x. Therefore g of x is equal to 9 upon 1 plus 9x cube. Now this C answer. So therefore answer now second example we will solve based on the limits. So let L is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 cot x minus cos x divided by pi minus 2x bracket cube. Now if we follow the direct method, if we put here cot pi by 2, so cot pi by 2 is 0 minus cos pi by 2 0, pi minus pi 0, so 0 upon 0 in determinant form. Now here different methods already we have studied. You follow the derivative these videos on the limits. So we have very nicely explained the limits systematically to take the decisions in the mathematics. So while solving the limits, so first of all, whether your regular method is applicable that for that limit, you follow that. If that is not applicable, then we will go to the L'Hospital rule. Now here, basically the function is trigonometric function. So in trigonometric function, you know these different methods. First method is direct method. Direct method is fail. Indeterminate form is coming. Second method, identity factorization. So that is also not applicable here. And standard formula, third method, and fourth method is method of substitution. When x tends other than 0, substitution. So here substitution method is applicable. So we use that method. So we'll put x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. As x tends to pi by 2, h tends to 0. So n is equal to limit h tends to 0 cot pi by 2 plus h minus cos pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2 pi by 2 plus h bracket cube. So that is equal to, we can write this as a limit h tends to 0. Now cot pi by 2 plus h, we can write tan h. So in allied angles trigonometric function, we have explained this concept tan h. Cot is converted. So in allied angles we have studied this. When odd multiple of pi by 2 is added, ratio changing. So and cos it changes to the sin h. Now here for sin, you know this h is the, we are considering always acute angle, and to that we are adding this pi by 2. So angle is in the second quadrant. This is first, second, third, fourth. So we have explained this concept in the trigonometric functions allied angles. So A, S, T and C. So in second quadrant sin is positive, other ratios are negative, and cosec is positive. So cot is negative, so minus. You apply the sign to the angle n pi by 2 plus minus theta, that is this angle. Now cos is negative, so minus this plus divided by, now 2 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, minus 2h cube, so minus 8h cube. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now minus tan means sin h upon cos h and plus sin h divided by minus 8h cube. So minus 1 upon 8, I will take outside common constant h cube. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 8 limit h tends to 0. Now this minus sign also will take outside, sin h common will take outside. So 1 upon cos h means 1 plus cos h divided by cos h and divided by h cube. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So if you go by the L'Hospital, you want to take the 3 derivatives. So instead of that, we are using the formula limit h tends to 0. This minus sign also will take outside, minus plus. Now sin h upon h, you know this 1, limit h tends to 0, sin h upon h is 1 formula. 1 plus cos h, 2 cos 12. What is happening? Minus sign by anything. So okay, so minus sin h will take outside. So 1 minus cos h. He stated in the पुन्हा explain करू. So minus 1 upon 8, we have taken minus 1 upon 8, limit h tends to 0. Now minus sign h will take outside from these two terms. So here 1, now this cos is multiplied, this minus cos h upon cos h. So 1 minus cos h, you know the formula, 2 sin square h by 2 divided by h square. Instead out of this h cube, 1 h we have taken here, so h square. And 1 upon cos h, the direct method we are using, cos 0 is 1. So 1 upon 8, limit h tends to 0, sin h upon h, 2 is also constant with h, so 2 upon 8, and sin h by 2 divided by h by 2 square of that. Now here 2 square is 4, extra we have taken at denominator of denominator, so multiply denominator by 1 upon 4 and 1 upon cos h. So 2 upon 8 is 1 upon 4, this limit is 1 by formula, this limit is 1. So 1 upon 4 and 1 upon here direct method cos 0. So that is equal to 1 upon 16, cos 0 is 1. So 1 upon 16 is the answer. So D, second example answer is D. Like this, we'll solve this limit examples. So you actually, what is the requirement? You will be the strong in the JEE, BEATS, any exams, engineering also for the mathematics. But requirement is you want to follow the complete videos of the basic concepts explained by original Engineering and Science Academy. So you want to, it's a very much essential. You subscribe the channel and observe the videos totally, not here. So complete video you observe, you understood the concept of the thinking of the mathematics, and you go to the self practice. You will get the you will get the confidence, you will get the speed, and you will become the decision maker, which are the requirements of good engineer. Now third example we'll solve. So what is the given in third example? 20 meters of wire. So one wire is given and the length of that wire is given 20 meters. Now it is converted in flower bed, which is the circular sector form. Now we know the circular sector form. So like this. Now suppose this angle will consider theta. R is the radius. Now this is length. Yes, S is equal to, you know this formula, R theta. Theta is in radius. So S is equal to this perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, now this R plus R, 2R and plus R theta. Now this is equal to length 20. So from this we will find the theta value. So theta is equal to, we can get 20 minus 2r divided by r. So this is the relation between these two variables, theta and the radius. Now here you want to study the maximum. Now area of the sector, you want to study the maximum minimum for area. Area of sector. Area of sector. Yes, area A is equal to, formula is there, 1 upon 2 r square theta. So area is equal to 1 upon 2 r square. Now theta is 20 minus 2r upon r. Now 1r get cancelled, so that is equal to 1 upon 2 20r minus 2r square. So that is equal to 10r minus r square. So this is the equation of the function. So in the maximum minimum, already we have studied this, we have explained this in two methods of the maximum minimum, first derivative test and second derivative test. You follow the videos and then you study this JEE examples, you practice the exam. So this is the main function. Now here we'll follow this second derivatives test. So you want to find first two derivatives, dA upon dr 10 minus 2r, d2a by dr square minus 2. Now you know this for maximum or minimum area, dA upon dr is equal to 0, so 10 minus 2r is equal to 0, so r is equal to 5 meter. Now at r is equal to 5 meter, second derivative d2a by dr square is equal to minus 2, constant value less than 0. Less than 0 means by Lagrange's condition area is maximum. Therefore, area is maximum at r is equal to 5 meter. Now you want to find then the maximum area. You want to find the maximum area. So A max is equal to 10 into 5 minus 5 square. 50 minus 25, so 25 square meter. So answer third example is A.